Okay, right. In question 8, where in question 8a, they say that the following sequence 10 minus 3y 7, comma 7, comma 15, comma 8y plus 8y plus 1 is a quadratic sequence. Determine the value of y. Now let's write down that equation. So we have 10 minus 3y, and we have a 7, and we have a 15, and we have an 8 plus 1, right? And then now let me just put a bracket there. Just put those in brackets. Now if you had to find the difference between that and the difference between that and the difference between that, according to a quadratic sequence, we call that the first difference. Now let's see, if you find the difference between 7, so basically if you find the difference between 7 minus 10 minus 3y, you're gonna have 7 minus 10 plus 3y, which is gonna be 3y, which is gonna be 7 minus 10, which is minus 3 plus 3y. So you're gonna have minus 3 plus 3y, and then the difference between 15 and 7 is gonna be 8, right? And then another one, the difference between 8y plus 1 minus 15, it will be 8y minus 14. All right, so it's gonna be 8, sorry, it's gonna be 8y minus 14. Now another thing that we're also gonna have to do, now we're gonna have to find the difference between that, the difference between that and the difference between that. And then that, in according to a quadratic sequence, we call that the first difference, or the second difference. So they call this sequence there the first difference, and then they call this answers that we're gonna get near the second difference. All right, now if you do that, let me just quickly wrap that out. If you do that, now let's do it. So you're gonna say 8 minus 3 plus 3y, which is gonna give you 8 plus 3 minus 3y, and then 8 plus 3 is 11, so it's gonna be 11 minus 3y. So here it's gonna be 11 minus 3y, and then the other one you're gonna say 8y minus 14 minus 8. You're gonna get 8 minus 14 minus 8 is gonna be minus 22. So that will be 8y minus 22. Okay. Now what I need you to know, according to the properties of quadratic sequence, this whole entire sequence, it's gonna be an arithmetic sequence. All right. So the first difference of a quadratic sequence is gonna give you an arithmetic sequence, and then that's basically, if you find the difference between the terms of a geometric sequence, it's gonna be basically be the difference. So those are the difference of the arithmetic sequence, I mean to say. Now remember, the difference of an arithmetic sequence is the same for everywhere else, between between term 2 and term 1, or between term 3 and term 2, or between term 4 and term 3. It's going to be the same. So basically, if the difference is going to be the same everywhere else, it means that 11 minus 3y will be equals to 8y minus 22. All right, now if we do that, we're gonna have a 8 sorry. Let's see, we're gonna have a, so we're gonna say 11 plus 22 equals to 8y plus 3y, right? And then 11 plus 22 we get 33 equals to, then 8 plus 3 we get 8 plus 3 we get 11, so it's going to be 11y. Then you must divide both sides by 11. Then your y basically should be 3, and then that's the answer for the value of y. Okay.